Welcome to our OTP troubleshooting video series. The message below shows you what topic that this video will review. You can utilize this video series to troubleshoot common issues within the restaurant before escalating to our CoastApp.
Don't you hate when you can't read the receipts? We have a simple solution for this problem. All you need is a printer cleaning pen, a can of compressed air, and a towel. If you don't know where to find these supplies, please ask your general manager and they can provide them for you. Begin by unplugging the printer and taking it to a safe area away from food. Open the printer and place it on its side, and then proceed to spray the inside with the canned air. Follow up by adding a small amount of degreaser to a towel and wipe down the entire machine, including the internal black cylinder. Finally, use your cleaning pen to wipe the thermal strip. Once you're finished, place the printer in its designated area, plug it in, and perform a test print. If the results do not improve, repeat the steps. If this still doesn't resolve the issue, please submit a ticket via the CoastApp.
Are you interested in learning more about our computers and the systems that run our restaurants? If so, be sure to ask your manager about becoming an OTP.